What's up, everyone? It's Priority Bass TV here, and on today's episode, we're going to be going over some issues I've had. This weekend, I went to my lake house, and I fished all weekend long, caught tons of bass. I mean, nice ones. And well, my GoPro decided to mess up, and now I was looking back over all of my footage, and now all I have is half of it. And so, yeah. Well, I'm trying to make the video of half of it. I mean, it has a couple of fish of me catching a couple of fish, but like, it's just all my footage is gone, really. I'm mad, and if you know what could have happened, please comment down below, and please let me know. And how to get it back, so please let me know. I had so much footage of bass catching and stuff. It was a nice bass. I was just flipping and pitching through the docks. Caught tons of fish. But I guess let's just get right into the video. I hope y'all like it, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more. I hope you enjoyed. Peace out. We're about to go out in the morning, largemouth, big old bass. Alright, I need to do some hooks. Alright, we're about to do a polymer knot. Early morning bass. Got coffee in my hand. Egg and cheese biscuit. We're ready to tear them up today. Gonna tear them up this morning. We're fishing on Lake Chiller. Let's get it. Oh, I got crappie. What the heck? On a jig. A black crappie on a jig. What the heck? On a jig. What the heck? That's crazy. Almost had one. They're biting on pink worm, trickworm, pink trickworm. It's doing some good. It's doing pretty good. That's all right now. I ain't using a Senko, nothing right now. We wore out yesterday on Senko. So I just use a trickworm. Alright everyone, that's all I have from this weekend. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm sorry I lost all the footage because I was hoping I could make an awesome video. Caught so much fish. God, I wish I had it on video, but I hope you at least enjoyed. And if you liked it, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe. And well, I'll see y'all on tomorrow's video. Peace out.